In this video, you will learn the 3 simple methods to add attachments to personalized bulk emails through mail merge. Welcome to TheoNest, where the worlds of technology, AI, and business growth converge to empower working professionals and small businesses. First method, open your mail merge setup in Google Sheets. To create mail merge, watch our simple guide on how to create mail merge and send personalized bulk emails for free. Add a new column by selecting Insert one column to the right and name it Attachment. Open Google Drive and upload the file you'd like to attach to your mail. Once uploaded, select the file. Select Manage Access in the Details tab and set General Access to anyone with the link. Copy the link and click Done. Head back to Google Sheets and paste the link in the attachment column. Now go to Gmail to add the attachment the way the subject and recipients were added, which is to add 2 curly brackets before and after the word attachment like I have done here. Once that is done, head back to Google Sheets, click Mail Merge and Send Email. Copy and paste the subject line and click OK. Once the email is sent, Google Sheets will automatically update the email sent column with the time and date the email was sent. Let's see what the email looks like at the recipient's end. Second method, head to Google Drive to copy the link to your file, then go to Gmail, highlight a text in your email body message. In this case, I'll highlight TheoNest. Once highlighted, locate the insert link icon at the bottom of your email composer, click the icon, paste the link you copied from Google Drive and click Apply. Head back to Google Sheets. Let's delete the attachment column, so we only have the columns we need left. Select Mail Merge and Send Email. Copy and paste the subject line and click OK. Now let's take another look. The third and final method is to upload your file directly to Gmail by locating and selecting the Attach Files icon at the bottom of your email composer. Once uploaded, head back to Google Sheet. Select Mail Merge and Send Email. Copy and paste the subject line and click OK. Let's see what it looks like. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and comment. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section. Bye for now.